The advantages of Ecommpay's open banking solution compared to traditional card payment methods are kind of threefold. Primarily, speed of settlement. So merchants will be able to receive their funds instantly or the same day, depending on the country. This compares to card payment methods where it can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days even, depending on where the payment's coming from and if it's a long weekend. You also have the customer experience in making that payment. Traditional card payments where you enter the card details into the checkout, and now it's much more seamless with just a few clicks to make the payment. And then lastly, the risk of chargebacks and having to deal with those and losing funds from that is removed using open banking. And I think that overall, customers are looking to pay the way that they're used to paying, and even across Europe, there are varying markets and consumer behaviors, markets which are card heavy and markets where it's less so. And I think this enables customers who have traditionally not been able to shop online because they haven't had a card to be able to then make those payments using open banking. So at Ecommpay, we have a suite of products within open banking. We have our account solution, our advanced solution, and actually what we call Open Banking Select. So account to account is at the basic level. We can enable merchants and businesses to collect funds directly into their own accounts, in real time at the speed of the local bank network. Our advanced solution actually means we can aggregate the funds as an intermediary on behalf of our merchants, which allows us to do things like payouts or refunds, which is critical in the retail industry. It allows us to do immediate confirmation of funds. So, at the checkout, in real time, you can check out the customer and know the funds are there. And lastly, third-party funding verification as well. So if you're in an industry where you need to confirm the funds have been paid from your specific customer, we can confirm the name of the pay on your behalf, etc. So our advanced solution really enhances the open banking overall solution for our merchants. And then lastly, Select means we can act as an integration layer to multiple open banking providers in the market, allowing you to work with the provider of your choice without having to go through the integration. And then you can actually mix and match across those propositions and solutions. So taking our advanced solution and plugging it into other providers is also possible. Open banking has really helped our merchants and their businesses improve their conversion rates. So we've seen 10 to 20% uplift in conversion rates, depending on the industry and the market, when businesses and clients have introduced open banking as a payment method. The conversion rates for their customers has also significantly increased. We've seen, I think, 2/3 of customers will abandon the checkout if they haven't got their payment method of choice available, and open banking is growing in demand in those markets. So being able to bring it in has certainly helped. If you look at an industry, I think the early adopters and where we've seen a lot of growth has been in any vertical where there is movement of money and funds. So remittances, neobanks, prepaid cards loading, stockbroking and trading, anything like that. And now we're beginning to see the growth in retail. And I think our advanced solution, which has enabled refunds, which is critical in the retail space, has really helped boost that growth and the adoption and conversion. There are probably two areas which are challenging for businesses when approaching open banking. Number one is the UX. So the user experience and that payment flow is something that really needs to be thought through carefully because it's new for most businesses and for a lot of customers still across UK and Europe. So you need it to be as slick as possible, or you will have dropout at the checkout. So we've spent a long time optimizing that flow, really to reduce as many steps as possible, and especially for repeat customers, from simple desktop web flows through to more complex mobile SDKs. Whether it's things like embedding deep links, so there's redirects directly into the customer's banking app, or remembering their IBANs or certain other features so that when they come back again, we can reduce the number of steps in that journey. So the UX is super critical for businesses to think about, and it's challenging unless you have the right partner who can help provide that. The other area, of course, is the setup, right? We've talked about receiving funds, being able to do refunds. That we have clients who would love to receive the funds instantly on a per transaction basis, but then reconciling that within their own bank and within their banking statements is challenging for them. So with the solutions we have, like our advanced solution, which enables refunds, but also allows us to aggregate the funds on behalf of the merchants, provide them consolidated reporting statements, and allows them to reconcile together with all the other payment methods. The future is really exciting for open banking, and especially for our open banking products and suite of services. We actually have created an orchestration layer within open banking, so we network multiple providers. That allows us to grow and expand and plug in other providers within it. So across Europe, we work with 3 open banking networks. We're looking to move to the UAE and Middle East for open banking, and then beyond that, North America as well, and Australia. So there's global expansion, which is very exciting. But then locally within the UK and EU, we're looking to optimize and even improve our advanced solution by adding virtual IBANs, so they're local to within those markets. We're seeing significant improvement in success rates in open banking payments if we're able to localize the accounts within it. So our merchants and clients don't necessarily have banking within every market within Europe, but we can provide that for them and provide the experience and success rate of local payments with open banking for all our clients wherever they are. Ecommpay is set up to help customers and clients expand globally, supporting their customers wherever they may be in the world. And similarly, for other businesses that want to come into Europe and expand. Open banking has enabled that, especially with the aggregated settlement account. So you can have a UK business who only has accounts in the UK, but it's able to service and take payments from customers across Europe because we are able to provide local accounts within those markets. Similarly, we work with our clients to understand where they want to go for open banking, which is why we're looking to expand into the Middle East and UAE and North America, because we see the growing demand there, and we actively support our clients wherever they want to sell.